If your Yahoo Mail inbox is getting flooded with newsletters, promotions, and emails you no longer want, this video is going to help you clean things up fast. Today, I'll show you how to unsubscribe from unwanted emails in Yahoo Mail, step by step, so you can reduce clutter and take back control of your inbox. This is a simple method that works right inside the email itself, and it only takes a few seconds. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and find the unwanted email you want to stop receiving. You can do this from your inbox, promotions, or any folder where that message appears. Once you locate the email, open it so you can see the full message. At the top of the email, you should see an unsubscribe option. This is usually placed near the sender details or in the message header area, making it easy to find when a company or newsletter offers a direct unsubscribe link through Yahoo Mail. Click unsubscribe to begin the process. After that, Yahoo Mail may show you a confirmation prompt asking if you really want to stop receiving emails from that sender. This is an important step because it prevents accidental unsubscribes. Go ahead and click confirm to finish the process. Once confirmed, Yahoo Mail will process your request and the sender should be removed from your active subscription list, depending on how their email system is set up. In some cases, it may take a little time for the emails to stop completely, so don't worry if you still see one or two messages shortly after unsubscribing. If you keep getting emails from the same sender, you may need to repeat the process or check whether the message contains a different unsubscribe link inside the email. Also, if the message looks suspicious or unfamiliar, avoid clicking random links and make sure it is a legitimate sender before confirming anything. That way, you stay safe while cleaning up your inbox, and that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from unwanted email on Yahoo Mail. It's quick, easy, and one of the best ways to keep your inbox organized and less stressful. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.